2015 Porsche Cayman flat with a flat 6. Let me show you guys what we've done to it now that it's done. So as you guys can see, you can't see anything up here. It's all aerodynamic, flat, nothing fancy. And then the exhaust starts right here. Catalytic converters right there. As you guys can see, there's the headers on this side, headers there, cat. And then we added 2 vibrant resonators in place of the mufflers, bottles, and then put them out the back into 4.5-inch tips on each side. Looks really nice, really clean right there. And here's the part number on the Vibrant. There's a link in the description, and also you can visit our website at exhaustaddicts.com and you can purchase the tips and the Vibrant resonators to get them put on your car in your city. So again, the name of the website is exhaustaddicts.com. There's that crazy design on the mufflers that were on it with the center tip right there. Look at that. Just crazy. Just to fit it in there. There it is. Hit us up and we'll get you taken care of. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, guys, this is one of my friends from Music City Timepieces. That's why he says watches on his license plate. So if you guys are ever interested in any good-looking watches or brand name watches, just hit them up, okay? We appreciate him. This is his second car we've done for him in the past year, I think, so. More to come. So hit them up, guys, if you want any timepieces that watches, any brand, just about any price too, right? You can get. Yeah, so hit them up. Anyways, here we go. Go ahead. That sounds good. Give it gas. Again. Just thumbs up. You like it? He likes it. Hit up my boy Noah at Music City Timepieces. He'll hook you up. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 113. Again. That sounds good. Got a clean idle to it too. One more. That sounds good. All right, go ahead and back it out. Good looking car too, guys. Nice Porsche Cayman. Inline 6. Let you guys hear on the inside. Go. That sounds good. Look at what approves. That sounds really nice. Wow. That's what a Porsche should sound like. I like it. Vibrant did a good job.